Hello friends, Vikas Verma welcomes you in the web development tutorial series of Zlatan Tech Tree. We'll start our web development tutorial series with HTML because HTML is the basic component of web development. Before we start the discussion, let us know some terms. First is web page. Web page is nothing but single text file such as home.html. Second, website. Website is a collection of one or more web pages. Web server. Web server is a system on internet containing one or more website. Home page. Home page is nothing but the first page of your website. And the web browser. Web browser is a software which is used to show web pages. Before designing a HTML page, we should know what we need to create a HTML page. We need text editor, that is Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime, Getit, etc. And the second thing we need, that is web browser. We can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, etc. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The key to hypertext is used for hyperlinks. Hyperlinks allows you to jump from one topic to another topic. HTML describes the content and format of a web page using tags. What is content? The actual data being conveyed. That is what we see on the web page. That is content. Markup tags tell the browser how to display the content. In other words, we can say it controls the appearance of document on the web page. Example, title tag. It is the job of web browser to interpret tags and display the content accordingly. Let's try to understand the HTML in simple language. Suppose we need to write a book. Then what we need? A language, that may be English, Hindi, Telugu, etc. Similarly, if we need to write a web page, we need HTML. HTML is nothing but a language of web page. Let us discuss how to create and view HTML document. First, use any text editor such as Notepad++ to create the HTML document. Then, save the file with HTML or HTML extension such as file.html on your PC. This is called document source. Now open the file, that is file.html, using any browser. Your HTML page should now appear just as any other web page in browser. You may now switch back and forth between source and HTML document. Switch to Notepad, make some changes, save the document again and switch back to browser. Reload the browser and view new HTML code. HTML code start with HTML tag. This is the opening HTML tag and this is the closing HTML tag. In between opening and closing, the entire HTML code is present. Inside HTML tag, each page has a head part described in head tag. Head tag contained title of the web page. Inside the HTML tag, each web page has a body part described in body tag. The content of whole page should be present inside body tag. Let's view the whole structure of a web page. This is the comment section, and inside HTML tag, head section and body section is present. Head section contains the title as we already discussed, and body section contain the whole content of a web page. Each tag is divided into two parts. First, start tag and end tag. The difference between start tag and end tag is that the end tag is forwarded by a forward slash. We will learn more about tags in our next tutorial. Let us create our first HTML page. Open your text editor such as Notepad++, then write your code. Start with HTML tag, then close the HTML tag with a slash. It is best practice to close the tag at the same time. After HTML tag, we write head tag inside HTML tag. Between head tag, we write title tag. Inside title tag, we give the title of our web page, such as first page, as it is our first page. After head tag, we write body tag. Body tag contains the actual information which we want to display in our web page, such as this is my first HTML page. After writing the code, we need to save it. So for that, click on the save button, then choose the desired location and give the file name such as page1.html. Now click on save. After saving the file, we need to move to the location where we saved the file. Here you see I saved my file as page1.html. Now double click on the icon. After clicking it, it will be open in the web browser. This is our first web page. This is the title of our page which we have written inside our title tag. And this is the content which we have written inside our body tag. If you are using Notepad++, you can run your code through Notepad++. For that, you need to click on the run option. Then you will get some options such as launch in Firefox, launch in IE, launch in Chrome. Then select one of the options. As I selected launch in Firefox. The web page is open in the Firefox. Today we learn the basic of HTML. In our further tutorial, we'll learn more about HTML. Thank you.